How to scan receipts for taxes using Expensify application or the platform or website. Travel and expense at the speed of chat. This is how you can organize your expenses. I'm going to show you all the steps regarding it. How to create an expense. Now, in the SmartScan or receipt, click on the global create button and select submit expenses on just on the home page of this application whenever you will open it on the phone. So click on the Google Global Create option, click on Scan. You can drag and drop the receipt into Expensify or click Choose File to select from your saved files on your PC or on your device, and then enter the desired workspace or an individual's email or phone number to receive the expense report. You will get it delivered on the registered email address or phone number. Now you just have to add a description, category, tax, or tax as desired or required by your workspace. Then simply enable the expense as billable if it should be billed to a client. Now click on submit expenses to simply complete it. Thank you so much for watching this video.